Using domain.com for domain registration and web hosting is straightforward. Here's how to get started. Visit domain.com. Go to the domain.com website. You will find options for domain registration, web hosting, and other services. Search for a domain name. Use the search bar on the homepage to check the availability of your desired domain name. Enter the name and click on search. If it's available, you will see options to purchase it. Select your domain. Choose your domain extension and add it to your cart. You can also opt for additional services like Whois privacy protection, email hosting, and website builders. Create an account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Complete the purchase. Review your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter your payment details to finalize the purchase. Access your domain management. Once purchased, log into your domain.com account to manage your domains, set DNS records, and configure any hosting services. Utilize support resources. If you encounter issues, domain.com provides a knowledge base and customer support for assistance.